Hi New Jersey Makers! New Jersey Makers Day is coming up, and here at the Stafford Library, we are going to be making a ring planet. Let's get started. For our ring planet, I'm going to be using blue, black, and white paint. I'm using acrylic, but you could use craft, and you just need a surface to pour your paint onto. I have aluminum foil today, but if you have wax paper, you could even use a paper plate. Any of those things will work just to protect whatever surface you're working on. So it's been 12 hours and our planet is all dry. It's looking super cool. And we're going to move on with our next step.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.